It's Josh here, saving a buck. Hey, today we are in the garage again. It is cold outside, and we are going to do a few little projects on our vehicles today. I have a headlight bulb out of the little Toyota work car. Yes, I do work 40 hours a week, a regular job, so I do need headlights. And then my wife's car has a little turn signal bulb out. We're going to replace it. And then I have a headlight to replace on the farm truck. I haven't replaced the farm truck one yet because of, well, I don't usually drive it too much in the night anyway. It's a farm truck and we use it here daily on the farm. So anyway, let's get to it and see how easy it is to install a headlight bulb on our own vehicles without paying somebody here on Saving a Buck. And if you haven't liked and subscribed to videos yet, please do. So this is my wife's car, and this little bulb right back here in the turn signal area there, it is actually a running light. We ordered bulbs online on Amazon for about $3, and well, we're going to replace it and see how hard it is to get to. That thing is right here. If we can get it out of there. Alright, there it is. So we'll take that out real quick. That easy. And we'll put the other one in. It's just a little tiny bulb. We got the new bulb in. We're going to put it back in there and yeah, that is it. It's in there. And it works. So car number 1 is done today. Alright, as you can see, car number 2, we got a headlight on here, no headlight on here. So we will, hey Luna, we will see if we can't get one put in here and see how easy it is. Should be pretty simple. On this Toyota RAV4, there's this little spring thingy that you gotta pop out to get the bulbs out. And it is hard to get to. So here is the little spring that you gotta pull out of the way to get the bulb out, and it just kind of comes right out. We got the light bulbs hopefully here. We got them from Amazon. Yeah, they're still shipping through all the things that's going on now, but let's see what we got. Phillips lights, number 9003 for a Toyota RAV4. See if we can't get these back in. So this is the old one right here. This is the new one we're putting in. It's supposed to be brighter. We'll have to see when we turn them on and see what they look like, because we had a video of the one we had in before. So let's see what these are. Okay, we'll see what the difference is between the difference between the new headlight and the old headlight. We can't tell, so let's turn the lights on. Okay, one is definitely, with the lights off in the garage, we can tell this one over here is a lot brighter than the old one, so we're going to replace it too. Alright guys, we changed the headlights on our work car, the little Toyota RAV4. We put the marker light in my wife's car over there. This is a good job you can do on rainy days. Almost anybody can change a light bulb. Some vehicles are a pain in the butt to try to get out, and sometimes you do have to take it somewhere and have somebody else professionally do it because you can't get to them. You have to remove air boxes and things like that are in the way. But the ones that you can, try doing them yourself. It's easy, don't cost you nothing, and we'll go and try to do the farm truck. As soon as we can get it to quit raining, we'll do the farm truck and add it on this video too. Thank you. Alright, so now it's Trusty Rusty's, the old farm truck's turn. Put headlights in it. So we gotta take a 10mm, remove these. Headlight bulb, finally! This one's a little bit tougher, I can tell you. And this is what we're putting in the old farm truck right here. Phillips, come from Amazon. Not too expensive, about 19 bucks, that's it. Good enough for the farm truck. Alright, they're both on now, if you can tell. This is the new one. Hey guys, thanks for watching Saved by the Thanks for watching today. I know I'd like to do farm stuff and things like that, but some days we have just everyday jobs, and sometimes we need to put a headlight in or small maintenance on our vehicles, and that's what we're doing today. Hey guys, thanks for watching Saving a Buck. Today we did the cars. We couldn't get outside much. Tomorrow we're going to do the truck. And then hopefully we'll make you some better videos when we can get outside and start working in the gardens and mowing, getting some fields ready for some crops, and see what we can get done. But thanks for watching.